Hello, and welcome to the Soundcraft video manual series. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to perform a firmware update on the UI series mixers. Firmware updates are important for not only making sure your mixer has access to the latest features, but also the most recent security improvements and bug fixes. Before we get started, you'll need to have a USB flash drive formatted to FAT32. We'll show you how to check your mixer's current version as well as where to find the most recent versions on Soundcraft.com. Let's begin by connecting to the mixer. Once connected, access the settings by selecting the gear icon on the top bar. Now select the About tab. Here we can see the mixer's current firmware version. Let's head on over to the UI24 product page on Soundcraft.com to see if there's any new updates available. Once on the product page, navigate to the Download section to find the firmware files. I can see that the latest version currently is 3.3. So let's click this link, then on the next page, click Download. The zip file will begin to download. It's crucial that the file stays in its original zip format, so here's a bonus tip for Mac users with Safari. If you find that Safari is opening the zip file automatically after the download, open Safari's Preferences. Under the General tab, you'll find an option labeled Open Save Files After Downloading. Make sure that this is not checked. Once we have our zip file, insert a USB stick into the computer and transfer the zip file to the root directory of the flash drive. Now we're ready for the update process. Remove the USB stick from the computer and insert it into any of the mixer's USB ports. Once inserted, the mixer will notify us that a USB stick was detected. If yours does not, try a different USB port on the mixer or try a different USB stick. Once the file is recognized, you'll be prompted with an option to update the mixer. This process could take up to a minute depending on the flash drive, and we recommend not navigating around the interface while the mixer is looking for the file. Select OK to confirm and begin the update process. Once completed, the mixer will give us another message indicating whether the update was successful or not. After the mixer's been updated, power it off for at least 15 seconds before powering it back on again. Once we're back online, we can now see on the About page that our mixer has the new firmware version. Thanks for watching. For full update release notes, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at soundcraft.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.